Imagine eliminating your monthly phone bill forever. How much could you save?
$50 to $80 a month.
$69 a month.
Well over $200 a month.
So we're talking huge savings here. Watch, we're talking 100, 200, 300, 400. I'm not done yet. 500, 600, 700. Hold me back. 800, 900, maybe $1,000 a year in savings. It is the new magicJack Plus. This is the company that invented the technology of using the telephone over the internet. And when your phone calls are going out over the internet, all your calls are free. A lot of people have said to us, love the magicJack, but I really can't keep my computer on 24/7. That's where we came up with the magicJack Plus. Now, one, plug the new magicJack Plus into the supplied AC adapter. Two, plug in any Ethernet cord and your telephone line. And three, just pick up that phone and start calling for free. The other thing that users have asked us for, love the magicJack, love to have a magicJack, but I've had my phone number for 5 years, for 10 years, for 15 years. I can't give up my phone number. With the new magicJack Plus, you are gonna have the option to move your phone number over to your magicJack Plus. Hundreds of millions of people around the world using this technology, and you're going to pick it up today for under $200. In fact, under $100. At $79, everybody in America is scrambling for the phones right now to get in on these before they are sold out. Under $70 today, $69.95. That's right, $69.95. You're going to have features like call waiting. You're going to have features like three-way calling. You're going to have features like caller ID. We're even going to give you free directory assistance. That's a package that's worth probably $200 a year on its own. And you'll never have a monthly phone bill again. We're also including, at no additional charge, the AC adapter, the Ethernet cable, and the USB extender. That's a $20 value. Absolutely free. But it gets even better than that. You know why? You can't pay for it today. We're going to send the magicJack Plus out to you absolutely free to try for 30 days. Make all the calls you want. Call everyone you know. And if for any reason at all you are not totally satisfied, send it back at the end of the 30 days and you owe zippo, nothing. Nada, zero, because we never charged you a penny in the first place.
magicJack we've been able to trust 100% with our business and being an integral part of what our day-to-day practice is. Our phone system is a critical lifeline, really, to our patients, and so we need something that is reliable 100% of the time, and we've had not a single glitch in over a year with the system.
You can trust them that they are going to deliver what they advertise. They advertise a clear, super telephone call that you can plug into your computer, or now with the latest version, you can just plug it into your Ethernet cable, and that it's going to work like any telephone that you have ever had, any landline phone, whether the giant telecom companies, and that it will work and you'll have a crystal clear call, and this is all true.
There isn't anyone close to magicJack today whatsoever. They actually develop their own technology. They build the chipsets. They put them in the devices. They've built their own network. And through that process, you control quality. It's been around since the very inception. It's created the patents for which the industry works on, and there's no one else doing what they can do today.
Let's say you have relatives in another country or loved ones stationed overseas. Simply send them a magicJack. Now, you'll be able to call their magicJack for free. They'll be able to call your magicJack for free, and they'll also be able to call anybody else in the US and Canada for free as well.
There is no phone bill. None. I'm talking 90 minutes at a time, and it's free. It's awesome.
Billions of dollars saved across the United States every year with the magicJack. Hundreds of millions of people worldwide using this technology. Let's talk about trust. The founders of the industry. The value is sensational, but you have to dial in right now. If you want to never have a monthly phone bill again, if you want to have home telephone service as low as $19.95 a year and try it in your home, absolutely free for 30 days, no risk. If you don't like it, send it back. You don't owe a penny. Pick up the phone, dial right now, fire your phone company.
Fire your phone company.
Fire your phone company.
Fire your phone company.